Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I don't even know where to start from. First of all, before I begin, if you see me looking this way, I have a mirror here, so just in case. So guys, this week has been tough. Like, it's been a very, 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 very stressful week for me. My birthday is on Tuesday, and today's Friday actually, and I have a trip on Sunday. I leave for Orlando, and yeah, so I don't know how, but I kind of mixed up the dates. So I had plans for what I wanted for my hair. I ordered some clothes, everything, the whole birthday vacation vibes, but it didn't work out the way I wanted. I initially wanted to get locks done in color black, and I wanted to like put in like the human hair curls, but at the end of the day, I dipped it. It was just a whole mess. So I've been thinking for the past 3 to 4 days what to do. I even got like crochet hair. I'm like, okay, if I don't find anything, I'm just gonna crochet my hair and go. But it's your birthday. That's the kind of look you're looking for or you're going for. So at the end of the day, I decided to get some locks. And as you all know, I pre-make my own locks to install on my hair. So I did this about an hour 30 minutes ago. This actually took me an hour 30 minutes to make because I was anxious. I have somewhere to be tomorrow evening, so I only have tonight to get my hair done because tomorrow I have a client. I have a client on Sunday, and I leave on Sunday night. So if I don't do it today, it's over. So guys, I did this. This was not the color I wanted, but people really don't get blonde or whatever this color is, burgundy. So I have this, and I had 5 packs. I prepped this with 3 packs, so I have 2 more packs left, and I'm going to use 2 packs to install. If you haven't watched my very detailed installation video, I'll link it in the cards above and you can check it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna start. I already prepped my hair. If you have been watching my videos, you will know that I'm just amazed. I remember the first locks I ever did in my life. My hair was not even up to an inch, and it was crazy. And now my hair is like, it's 1 year and it's really growing, and I'm so grateful. If you guys want to see like what I use for my hair, the products I use, and how I take care of my hair, let me know in the description. Let me know in the comment section. I just don't want to talk too much. I want this video to be short and brief, and yeah. Let's get into the video, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, I have a total of 33 locks here, and I didn't finish the ends because I just wasn't decisive about the length. So I just wanted to make sure I get them aligned as much as possible. So I'm gonna be doing this at the end, after installing. So yeah, and I don't know how many parts I have. I think I have like 33 or 35, but I just didn't want to go too over, so I can always just make 2 more extra locks, and get it over with. So yeah, just want to like this. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm about 45 minutes in. So that's why I like this method. It's really fast and it also gets the job done. So I'm just gonna show you guys the bag. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish the other side and so guys, I only have 2 left and I already installed everything that I have. So like I said, I installed the first set I did was 33 and I knew I did more braids than I had. So I just prepped 2 more. I'm gonna install this and yeah. Wait, before we continue, I need to ask you guys a question because this is not even funny. Why haven't you subscribed to my channel? Like, I need to know why. I need to know what I'm doing wrong. I need to know what I'm not doing. I know, yes, consistency has dropped, but I'm trying my best to bring you guys content. So why are you not liking my videos? So why are you not subscribing? Yes, I'm talking to you. Please subscribe, okay? Please. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Am I doing anything wrong? I want to know because so guys, I'm officially done. So what I'm gonna do is, let me see the hand in the camera more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to try to level it up so it can be on, you know, straight line and look cute. I initially was going for like a bob, but bro, this is not a bob. This is like mid back bra length kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna, you know, make sure they're all on the same length, align them, and we move. So I get asked this question a lot, and I know someone is gonna ask me this question. So if you ask me this question and I do not reply, I'm not being rude. It's because I already answered it in the video. This is the kind of spring twist I use. There's no brand name, as you can see, nothing. I buy my spring twist from Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba. It just depends on, you know, this is 60 strands a pack. So if you're offering me 60 strands and you're offering me 30, I'm definitely gonna go for 60 strands. If you're offering me, some sellers do 15 strands and some sellers do 30 strands, I'll definitely go for, you know, the 30 strands over the 15 strands. So it just depends on which type of, you know, texture. Some spring twists come and they're really thin, while some comes and they're really fluffy. So this I would consider almost fluffy. So when you know, bring it out, it's giving you the bounciness. And sometimes when you fluff out some, it's literally this small. So I buy from different places and different sellers and different websites and just compare which I have or which I like. So if I can be using like spring twist from three different sellers or vendors in one video. So when you ask what kind of spring twist is that, I don't know. I just shop around and choose which one I like. I have sellers who I buy from Amazon who I trust, and I have sellers who I buy from Amazon, from AliExpress, and you know, just something like that. So I do not have a specific brand I use. I just know what works for me per se. So I just wanted to make that clear. So guys, I started by 7:35 because I remember 7:35, and let me check the time now. The time is 10:26. So yeah, about, let's say, just 4 hours or 4 hours 30 minutes plus, you know, this came out like I never expected this to look this good. Like, really, how